Let's talk how to turn people who download your free opt-ins into buyers faster. So how do you turn free opt-ins into buyers without ads, without more content, without rebuilding your funnel? Let me pause my ClickUp because God knows people will be after me. Turn off ClickUp, turn off Slack. Okay, here's the truth. Most people don't have a traffic problem. They have a follow-up and flow problem. They're getting opt-ins, right? But those opt-ins stay cold. So here's how you fix that. Stop treating the opt-in as the finish line. Like, oh yeah, so-and-so signed up for this. Yes, the opt-in is not the win. It's the start of a relationship, okay? Most funnels break because someone downloads like the free thing, the lead magnet, the masterclass, etc. They get busy and then they forget about you, right? They never come back. Like, let's be real. How many times have you commented on a ManyChat for someone that you like their content, and the PDF that they delivered to you just sat in your inbox and you never went back to it? Hands up. The goal is speed and proximity, okay? You want to reach them immediately in more than one place with a clear next step. So you're going to use ManyChat to deliver and follow up. If you're delivering freebies through Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, ManyChat is one of the fastest ways to turn attention into action. No, this is not sponsored. I just love them. Here's a mistake I see. People use ManyChat only to deliver the download. What you want to do instead is deliver the freebie, masterclass, whatever it is, then follow up automatically. Example, here's your download. Quick question. Did you get a chance to open it yet? A day later, a couple hours later, and then again later. If you want help implementing this, here's where to go to next. This alone increases conversions because people don't always click when you think they will. They're not always clicking immediately. Collect the email through the ManyChat, even if they've opted in on social. So if someone opts in through ManyChat, you still want them on your email list. Why? Because you want them on their phone and in their inbox. The simplest setup is this. ManyChat collects the email. Zapier sends it to your email platform. They're automatically added to a short nurture and sales sequence. Now you're not relying on one platform to do all the work. Step 4, send them back to the funnel. Always, if someone opts in on social media, they should still be sent the same thank you page, the same email sequence as if someone opted in on the web page, with the offer right there on the thank you page. Your thank you page should deliver the free resource immediately and show the next paid step. Clearly explain who it's for. If your thank you page just says, check your inbox, we've got a problem and you're losing sales. Put the offer in front of them immediately. Your highest open rate will always be that first email, right? So, or that first message on Instagram. So it's really important. The first follow-up, that's when you earn the right to present the offer. Not 5 days later. Okay, they've forgotten about you. Not after endless value. Value is great, but clarity converts. Okay. Step 6, keep people warm. This is where most funnels die. I see this all the time. Someone runs a campaign, ads, social, organic, whatever, grows their list, then never emails them again. That's only 50% of the job. If you want faster buyers, you need to email weekly at a minimum, link back to your funnel, paid offer, resource, remind people why you exist. This is how you move someone from lurker, reader, clicker, buyer. Your final takeaway for today, turning opt-ins into buyers faster isn't about more funnels, more lead magnets, more posts, more complexity. It's about speed, follow-up, and not leaving people in the lurch. If you want more of these breakdowns, hit follow. I share real funnel diagnostics, not theory, as a multi-six-figure agency owner. You also might be interested in my case study, how I took a client's existing funnel that was doing around $6K per month recurring and turned it into a $60K per month funnel recurring, and is often hitting $100K months as well during special promotional periods. I'll link that below. That's thelinepretzl.co/case study, and I'll see you next time.